SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to edit picture location on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The pictures that you take with the camera on your iPhone can include some certain types of metadata to provide additional information about that picture. One piece of information that might be included is the location where that picture was taken. But if you've opened a picture and you don't like the location that's being shown, or if you simply want to switch it to something else, then you can edit this information by opening the Photos app. You can then navigate to the picture for which you would like to change the location, and then you can tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just choose the Adjust Location option that appears on this menu, and then you can tap the X to delete whatever is in the current search field, and then you can type in a name that you would like to use to apply to that picture, and once you've found the location that you want to use, just tap it from the Map Location section, and then that's going to be the location that's added to that picture. You can also adjust the picture location by tapping the Info button at the bottom of the screen, and then you can scroll up until you find a map with an image of the current defined location, and then you can tap the Adjust button, and you can choose the location that you would like to use for this picture in the same way that we did before. If you've changed the picture if you change the location for the picture and you would like to revert it back to the original setting, you can just tap the Revert button that appears on this Adjust Location menu, and that's going to turn it back into the location that was originally applied to that picture. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.